Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. My name's Ian Tyson, and I'm a passionate home cook. And today, with our Brenby Farms Solterra potatoes, we are making potatoes au gratin. For today's recipe, here's what you'll need. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Thinly slice your potatoes using a mandolin or by hand. If you're using a mandolin, slice at a thickness of at least 3 millimeters. Line baking sheets with parchment and spray with olive oil or your favorite cooking spray. Lay the potatoes out on your baking sheet. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Drizzle with olive oil. Bake your potatoes for 20 to 25 minutes, turning them midway. Add milk to a saucepan and warm over a medium-high heat. Whisk in cornstarch. As the mixture begins to thicken, add your grated cheese. Fold in the cheese and stir. Add salt and pepper to taste. Feel free to experiment with spices. Remove your potatoes from the oven. Line the bottom of your pie plate with cheese sauce. Add the potatoes to the pie plate in concentric circles. When you've completed one layer, drizzle with cheese sauce and repeat. When you've filled your pie plate, top with grated cheese. Return the potatoes to the oven for 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbling. In this unique interpretation, pre-cooking the potatoes adds a crispy new level to this perfect side dish. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Be sure to tune in for more Brenby Farms Solterra potato recipes. And until next time, keep cooking.